This cow was almost swept away by floods. But luckily, some good Samaritans were there to save the day. These people were wading in the rushing waters of a flooded river when they saw a cow being washed downstream. The poor thing was clinging to a log for dear life, and when they finally managed to get close enough, they tied some ropes around its legs and started pulling it towards them. It was too weak to stand up on its own, so they had to pull it all the way to the riverbank, and when they finally got it out, it collapsed right there on the bank, exhausted but alive. This is why we should always be kind to animals, because even if we don't know their story, they might be going through something that's way worse than anything we could ever imagine.